Still being in the same position, I've got quick access here to the effluent transmission. And basically, here's the waste tank, and here's the pipe that is pumping effluent out. It's going into the pump, through the pump, and out into the valve over there. Now I'm not sure if I caught it on the camera. So, okay, so this valve, this pipe goes to the pump, and from the pump goes into the valve. So the operation here is now I'll think about it and make another video.